Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to find Google Play Store on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. To find Google Play Store on Chromecast, you have to understand that it's an embedded app. So for instance, if you come on these apps here, you will not find the Google Play Store app. If you use this search bar under search movies, shows, cast and more, you're still not going to have apps come up. The only way to search apps is when you go to the App Store and then you go to search apps and games. When you search from here, it's going to search from the embedded Google Play Store. However, if you want to open the Google Play Store app, you need to come to quick settings and then head over to all settings. Now you're going to navigate down until you find apps. From there, you go to see all apps. And on this list, all the apps in this device are supposed to show here. So looking from top to bottom, you still do not find the Google Play Store app. Now you have to move over to show system apps to find that app. Because it's an embedded app in the system, scroll down this list, it's an alphabetical list until you find G. So there you have Google Play Store. Click on that and click on open. That launches the Google Play Store app, and from here you can access the app. So that's how you find the app on Chromecast. Now you could search for whatever you want. You could find apps, games and more. So if that was insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.